Hi guys, it's Pete from the Academy team. I'm here in central London at a top secret location with Canon to look at the eagerly anticipated mid-level DSLR, the new 90D. So folks, we've got a quick break in the track action, so I better hurry up and give you some of the tech specs before Mike gets run over with the carts coming back out. The 90D so far has been really impressive. We've only had a short period with it, but we thought we'd give you some of the tech specs. So key headline thing for me really is the brand new Canon designed dual pixel AF 32.5 million pixel sensor. Canon's done a great job with this. There's loads of spec to go with that sensor, least of all being, or not least of all even, being the fact that it's paired with the Digic 8 processor, and it's providing some amazing image quality. ISO 100 to 25,600, extendable to 51,200. It so far has been a real step forward from the 80D. Another awesome thing about the 90D that builds on the success of the 80D is the autofocus system, and Canon have done an amazing job here. The 80D had a 45-point cross-type autofocus system, which, as many Canon users will know, is an amazing system. Canon have gone even further with the 90D. It's still got the 45-point cross-type autofocus system in there, you know, with the dual pixel AF, but they've added the IAF, and not only IAF, but IAF tracking. So this will literally lock on to a subject's eyes, track them through the frame, and keep that pin-sharp focus, which when you pair that with the improvement to the overall speed of the 90D, so you've now got 10 frames per second with continuous AF, you're never going to miss that shot. So it's an absolute winner for those sports and wildlife photographers out there. So folks, videographers, I know a lot of you are probably watching this thinking, okay, what's Canon going to do for me? I don't have a mic, as in a mic, a video man that I can carry around with me all the time to get those videos pin sharp and in focus. Well, a lot of those autofocus features now actually transfer across to the video. And while we're on the subject of video, Canon have also added 4K no crop with the 90D. That's right, 4K no crop, 25 frames. Amazing video quality. If you wanted to step away from that and go with some really nice slow-mo, they've upped the frame rate on the full HD now to 120 frames per second as well. Sensational slow-mo quality. Pair that as well with the fact that you've now got a microphone input, headphone output, and clean HDMI. As a videographer, you're really not going to go far wrong with this camera. So something that's really nice about the 90D is the addition of the joystick control on the back. So when you're in the AF selectability mode, you can move the AF point around quite freely. It's a lot easier to do with that joystick on the back there now. So recomposing this shot is literally quick flick of the AF selection button, move the joystick around, and then I've got a perfectly composed image that I'm happy with again. Okay, another couple of points really just to note about the 90D. So this is really for existing 80D users. Two things really that caught my attention. LP6N battery, tried and tested battery from Canon, used across a number of cameras in the range, especially the 80D already. But with the improvements in the camera itself, the battery now provides 1,300 shots. That's SEPA tested, 1,300 shots from the 90D. Not only that, if you are an 80D user and you're thinking of transitioning across to a 90D, upgrading to the latest equivalent, your battery grip, the BG14 battery grip that fits on the 80D, also fits directly onto the 90D as well. So you can transfer batteries and grip straight across to the new system and take advantage of all the improvements. We hope you enjoyed the first look at the 90D today with us. We're going to grab a few more shots. If you want to get the full text and specs for the camera, then please visit the Jessops.com website or pop into your nearest Jessops store. We hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay up to date. And no car.
They come in now so I can move into the shot again then. Like this.
Oh, I've nailed the best shot as well.